you over different types of outputs that you can generate using JavaScript in your HTML code. So if we go to w3schools.com, follow me to JS output. And here it goes over the different types of outputs that we're going to be covering today. So let's do the first example here. I'm going to be going into my telnet that we've been doing the JavaScript in so far. And I'll do h1. Actually, don't need to do the h1 because the identifier is over here and what connects to it is right here. So remember last time we learned how to pull from a script file separately so we don't jumble up our HTML with our scripts, so we can have them separated and have HTML pull from the JavaScript code that we have separately. Well, that's what we're gonna do today. So just to get into the habit of it, let's continue doing that. So we made a JavaScript functions.js. And actually, we made that for the functions. That's right. So the scripts themselves are going to be going into the main body of the HTML. So let's go back to telnet. Yeah. I'm going to do p id equals demo. And then close p. Then script document dot get element by id and demo. Now I'm going to change the name because we have so many demos from the previous exercises that it's not going to work very well if we name it demo. So we're going to do paragraph 3. We have paragraph 2 up here from the last exercise. I'm just going to call that paragraph 3. Inner HTML equals 5 plus 6. Close the script off. And then up here we need to change that to paragraph 3 as well. Save that. Now going into our telnet, refresh. Oh, we need to make a button for it as well. Okay. So go into try it yourself. Oh, I guess not. Okay. I thought it was going to have us like click on a button to change the value or something. Yeah, it's just adding. So it's just adding the whatever you put in there. So 5 plus 6, 11. Okay. So that's pretty simple. Yeah, that's the output for it. Let's continue. Let's use document write in this one. I'm gonna make a script. And actually, let's label these. So I'm gonna do a P for paragraph, and I'm gonna label this inner, or let's see the last one, yeah, inner. Now we already have an inner HTML up here, but just gonna go ahead and add that in anyways. so we have everything labeled for what it is in the exercises. Inner HTML. And then close that off. Now this one's going to be document, so let's make a P to label it. Document right. And the script, close off the script, middle, document dot right, 5 plus 6. Save that. Now if we go over here, that's our document right, 11. I'm going to do display here, so it doesn't look so out of place. Display. Okay, well, yeah. Enter HTML. Display. Oh, actually, put that in the wrong spot. It's up here. Display. That way we know that we're doing the display exercises or output exercises. Save that. Okay. Okay, so here it goes over what happens if you use the document right after the element or the HTML document is loaded. So just be aware of that. 1 second, I gotta plug my computer in before it dies. Okay. So you have another document write exercise here. So P, paragraph, and document write display 2. Button type equals button on click equals document dot write 5 plus 6. And then try it button, save that. And that's an example of it deleting all the previous HTML that we had in there when we click on the button. Okay, so let's continue here. Using a window alert box to show the data. So p for paragraph, window dot alert, no caps, display. Oh, and close that off. It is open. And then script, window dot alert, 5 plus 6. Close off the script, and let's refresh. And that is how you display the window alert with the message. So if you want to change the message to something else, I don't know, boobies, save that. Oh, okay. Let's go back. And oh no, I won't do it that way. Okay. So changing the paragraph, or changing the message. We're gonna do up here. I'm gonna give that an ID equals paragraph 4. Let's see. So we need to do it exactly like it is up here. And it has to be a get element by ID. I wonder if it will just let me do this that way. Save that, refresh. It did, yeah. Okay. But it's not a get element by ID. So, yeah, I think that kind of breaks it. Because how is it pulling from the ID if it's not by ID, right? But there you go, little trick you can do. Let's do 1 plus 2. Oh, and also change that back. Just change everything back. Save that. 11, okay. Well, there you go. Okay. Okay, so now displaying it as a window object. So I'm gonna do window object display. I'm gonna go script alert 5 plus 6. script and the script. Save that. Okay. And okay. So notice the first one is the alert, and it blinks out the back page. So the alert is going to blink out anything in the back before it displays whatever it is the page holds. And then this one displays it on top of whatever it's displaying. So that's the main difference between those two. Very similar though. Okay, so now how to use console log. We're gonna go P for paragraph, console.log, display. Script console.log 5 plus 6. Close the script off. Save that. Now we got the alert. We have the window object. The console log display down here. Alright, so that's actually not, hold on. That's not displaying correctly. So let's just say I delete these 3 real quick so they don't interfere with what I'm seeing here. And then console log display, console log 5 plus 6, so that should display 11. So let's see in the exercise here. Activate debugging. Okay, so it's going to display it in the debugging menu. So it's not going to be like these other ones. I'm going to go ahead and Control Z and undo that deletion. And now let's follow this. Press F12 on your keyboard. Might have to be on the page. Let's see. No, it's definitely not F12 on the page. So let's see, right click, and then we're going to go into the inspector. And then right here, I'm going to go to the one that looks like a bug. And let's see, there's the console. Issues. Page layout may be unexpected due to Quarks mode. That might be an MHA reference. Just kidding. So not that. Sources, let's see. Oh, there. Okay. So in this console, you can see the 11. Okay. So that's how you see that one. Let's continue to the next one. A window print. So we're gonna go paragraph and paragraph in the middle. Window print display. And then button on click equals window dot window dot print Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's right. I was looking at the little brackets there and they didn't change color, so I was wondering if there was something wrong with that. No, it's just like that. Okay, and now save that. Fresh. Okay. Alert the other display there. And then print this page. Sorry, I'm kind of losing my voice today. I don't know what it is. Print this page. And now it will show you the printer menu. So I'm going to change this so it's more understandable, because Windows Print to me is just like it printing on the window. It, like in my brain, it doesn't connect to printer menu. So we're going to do window printer menu display. Save that. Window printer menu display. There it is. Alright, and that will be it for today. I'll catch you in the next one.